All right, now we got to measure where you're going to hold the bar. I put it in this angle so we give you guys a nice view of her doing it and you understand fully how to do it. Put your hands by your side, okay? Turn hip, knee, ankle lined up and grab the bar. Go ahead and do a squat when you're grabbing the bar. So bend your knees down, chest up, shoulders back. Go ahead and grab that bar, stand up straight. Now the first thing you want to do, shoulders back and down, chest is up, slightly bend your knees. Throw your hips outward. If they're not outward and they're inward, when you go down, your back's going to be arched. We want your back looking like a half a circle, okay? Now, when you go down, keep your head up because it makes you keep those shoulders back. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Here we go. So she's going down, come up, squeeze your glutes and your upper back. When you go down, keep your knees slightly bent, but try not to move them the best you can. And I want all the pressure in your heel. Go ahead, give us some reps. Her head is up, her shoulders, when she comes up, she's squeezing it, coming up, squeezing her butt, pressures through the heels, feet are straight, holding it nice and tight, elbows slightly bent. When she comes up, she's not moving her elbows. If you can do that, that means the weight's too light. You want to go down as far as feeling like a ripping feeling in your hamstring. Okay, it's like a tearing, a major stretching feeling in your hamstring. When you feel that, go a little bit more, then bam, shoot up and come up and squeeze that butt and back.